Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Elia Present Kikania. I'm truly grateful to have you here, especially my viewers from the USA. I'm working very hard to bring you the best, simple, and delicious recipes so that my cooking can reach your home with love and care. Today, I have something very special for you, an Eid Special biryani recipe that is perfect for your guests and family gatherings. With guests coming over these days, this recipe will make your table unforgettable. It is so flavorful and delicious that no one will be able to resist it. And I'm sure you will receive endless compliments. Please stay connected with my channel. Support me by subscribing, liking, sharing, and giving your feedback. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started with this amazing recipe. I have taken 2 kilograms of chicken. I have taken 6 onions, which I will fry in hot ghee until golden brown to sprinkle over the biryani. The onions are now dark golden brown, so I will dish them out. We will add 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic and 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger to the hot oil. We will fry it until the raw smell is gone. Add curry leaves, star anise, cinnamon, cloves, black pepper, cumin seeds, and cardamom. I have sliced 4 onions and will add them now. Cook until light brown. They are ready. Now we add 2 kilograms chicken. Add 5 chopped tomatoes. Add 2 packets of chicken powder. Add 2 packets of biryani masala. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon of ground coriander. Add 2 teaspoons of roasted and crushed cumin. Now add a small bowl of yogurt. chicken is cooked for biryani. Now we will dish it out. Now we will boil water in a pot and add chicken powder. We will add 1 tablespoon of oil to hot water. Add 2 teaspoons salt to the water. We soak the rice. Now add it to the hot water. Rice soaked for 30 minutes. Now ready to dish out. In the same pan where we cook the chicken, we will now spread a layer of rice evenly. Now we will spread a layer of the chicken gravy evenly over the rice. Now repeat the same process again. Now we will spread the final layer of rice evenly. Now we will take orange food color and spread it on top in a circular shape. Now place tomatoes in a circular shape on top of the layer. We will also add sliced green chilies, we will now sprinkle the fried onions on top. We will cover it and let it sit on low heat for 1 minute. We will open the lid and check it. Wow, it's cooked and smells amazing. Wow, it's really amazing. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I feel like I want to eat it too. While I played it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos as well. Let's go. Now we will dish it out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Elia Present Kekania. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.